Hey guys, Kurt here, and I want to thank you very much for coming to check out VideoRobot. Now, this is the newest and latest video creation software from Todd and Ponna, and what they've done is they've taken all the best features of their past softwares and added it into VideoRobot, along with some additional features that, in my opinion, is going to make this the very last video creation software that you ever need to buy. Now, you can learn all about the product here on the sales page. What I want to do is I want to talk to you about the bonuses I'll be giving you when you take action now and grab your copy of VideoRobot through the link on this page. So here we are on my bonus page, and we're going to just go through the bonuses real quick here. The first bonus you're going to get is the Bounce Baby plugin, which is a WordPress plugin that helps reduce your site's bounce rate. Okay? You're also going to get access to the Video Marketing for Beginners and Video Sales at a Genius courses, both of which you get master resale rights for. Next, you're going to get access to the Slide Capture WordPress plugin. You're going to get the Video Marketing Excellence course, master resale rights for that. You're going to get the Jacker WordPress plugin, which is a plugin that will allow you to hijack basically the content and authority of high authority websites for your own use. You're also going to get the Link Master WordPress plugin, which its main focus is to help prevent you from losing your leads when you promote affiliate products or when you're promoting affiliate or sales pages. You're gonna, because typically what happens is when you promote a product, sometimes the vendor will put up a squeeze page, will put up like a squeeze page pop up, and if you're sending traffic to that sales page, and if you don't make a sale, and that vendor gets that lead, what's going to happen is that vendor is going to be sending out emails to their list about the product, and you're not going to be coded in those emails for those sales. Okay, typically. So this prevents you from losing out on leads. So if you don't make the sale, at least you've got the lead, and now you can still email that subscriber or those leads either that same offer or additional offers. Okay, and a little side note here, that is the key to making money online, is building a list of highly targeted subscribers. Okay, next you're going to get access to the Dominate YouTube course. You're going to get master resale rights for that. You're going to get access to the YouTube Celebrity course, again, master resale rights. And finally, you're going to get access to the Content Lock WordPress plugin. Okay? Now, those are the bonuses that I'm giving to you when you take action now and you grab your copy of VideoRobot through my link. Now, Todd and Paul are also giving away their own set of bonuses. Okay? So in addition to these, you're also going to get access to these. You're going to get access to 10 eye-catching lead generation pages. You're going to get access to professional sales video by Todd Gross. And you're going to, so you can actually sell your services using VideoRobot, because VideoRobot will give you a commercial license with the front end product, so you can actually create videos and sell them to clients. Okay, this video from Todd Gross is going to help you sell to those clients. Right, this is like worth thousands of dollars on its own. You got to get a list of top websites to submit your marketing video services to. So when you can start creating these videos or learn how to create these videos, and then you can actually sell the services. And these websites are the best places to put and advertise your services on. You're going to get a professionally created Facebook ad set. You're going to get top quality background images to use in VideoRobot. You're going to get top quality video backgrounds, professionally written email swipes, okay, to help you close more clients to sell your video creation services. Now remember, VideoRobot is not just about creating software for clients. You can use it for your own business too. But one of the big pluses with this product, is that it comes with a commercial license, so you can sell to clients. Okay, and because of the templates that are included, which already have a lot of professions and business types already created as far as videos go, you can pretty much plug and play these videos and sell them to clients. Just make a few edits and you're done. Okay, and you'll learn more about that when you check out the product and when you watch the demo. So you get your email swipes here. You get 113 tuned black and white character sets, so you can actually create these. These here are great for whiteboard videos, which you'll be able to create inside VideoRobot. You get 113 full color tuned character sets, okay, and get 15 ready-to-use logos that you can use with VideoRobot to create logos for your business, or if you want to create logos for other clients, you can do that as well. You're also going to get access to Pro Studio FX. You get 49 royalty-free sounds, and those are the bonuses you're going to be getting with VideoRobot. The ones I just went over are going to come directly from Todd and Paul, and you'll be able to download those inside of JV Zoo when you make a purchase. The previous bonuses that I'm giving to you, once you purchase through JV Zoo, you'll be given a link to access the bonus download page where you can access all those bonuses. So you're going to get the bonuses from me and as well as the ones from Todd and Paul. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Go ahead and check out the sales page here, learn all about the product. It's just fantastic. I love it. I've been playing with it for the past few weeks. And again, this is going to be the last, in my opinion, it's going to be the last video creation software you ever need to buy. Now, be sure you pay attention because the product is being launched on March 8th, 2018, 11 a.m. Eastern, and it's closing at 11:59 p.m. on the 15th of March. After that time, actually at 11 p.m. that day, or shortly thereafter, my bonuses will be taken away, okay? So you want to make sure you grab your copy now, as soon as you can, to secure those bonuses. Plus, the price of the product will go up during the launch, and the closer you get at the beginning, the better price you're going to get. But even so, if you happen to be seeing this near the end of the launch, you're still going to get a great deal because even if the product is left on the market afterwards, it's going to go way up, and it may even go to a monthly price. So you're going to get it all for a one-time flat rate, no monthly fees whatsoever. So guys, that is Kurt. Thanks very much for watching, and look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.